Morning guys, so ang atong problem karon is about limits and continuity. Natay sample problem, given the function f of x is equals to 2x squared minus 8 over x minus 2. So determine una the limit of f of x as x approaches to 2. Ikaduha, whether f of x is continuous at x is equals to 2. So, ang ipangita, ang limit sa f of x as x approaches to 2. Kung continuous ba ang f of x sa x equals 2. So, ang solution na ni So, first, kailangan natin i-simplify ang function nga f of x is equals to 2x squared minus 8 over x minus 2. So, kani ang function ako na i-rewrite. So, i-simplify niya ito. Mahimong siya f of x equals to 2 x minus 2 x plus 2 over x minus 2. So, para sa x equals to, makancel ang x minus 2. May mo na siyang f of x is equals to 2 x plus 2 para sa x is not equal to 2. So, sunod, ato nang pakitaan ng limit of f of x as x approaches to 2. So, nilyan na lang. Limit of f of x as x approaches to 2. Ayan siya. So, ano siya ang ato lang i-substitute. So, since 2 is x plus 2 kay polynomial na siya, isa sa function. So, continuous na siya mga function. So, ato lang substitute sa x is equals to 2. So, ano siya ang iyang value. So, ang limit na mo the limit of x to x plus 2 as x approaches to 2 will become, so ato lang i-substitute ang value sa x which is 2 is equals to 2 times 4 is equals to 8. So ang limit of f of x as x approaches to 2 equals to 8. So, nakuha na ito ang unang ipangita. It is ganin. Pangita na ito ang ato na pong i-confirm whether f of x is continuous at x is equals to 2. So, evaluate na ito na. So, ato lang i-substitute naman ito na yung value.